everyone. A very warm and peaceful welcome back to the English Talkline. I am Sarah, and I am so happy you are joining us tonight.
And hello from me too. I am Sam. My heart feels very quiet and calm today. It is a beautiful time to be together.
I agree, Sam. Here at our channel, we believe that learning English is not just for the classroom. It is a part of your life, even in the quiet moments before you sleep.
That is so true, Sarah. We want to help our friends feel relaxed, not stressed. English can be like a soft pillow for your mind.
Exactly. So take a deep breath, let your shoulders drop, and let's spend this gentle time together. We are so glad you are here. So Sam, tell me, how is your day today? You look very peaceful, almost like you are ready for a good night's sleep already.
Oh, Sarah, it was a very thinking day. I spent a lot of time in the garden this afternoon, just watching the birds. It was so quiet, but I must tell you, my mind was very busy.
A busy mind in a quiet garden? What were you thinking about, Sam?
Well, I was trying to remember the English words for everything I saw. I saw a tree, then a bird, then a cloud, but then I forgot the word for the little red insect on the leaf. I spent 20 minutes trying to remember. It made my head feel a bit heavy.
Oh, Sam, you were working too hard. You don't need to remember every single word to have a peaceful mind. Sometimes it is better to just breathe and let the words come to you slowly.
You are right, Sarah. I think I was trying to study too much. Later, I made some herbal tea and sat by the window. I watched the sun go down. That was the best part of my day. No books, no dictionaries, just the orange sky.
That sounds beautiful. I had a similar day. I went for a slow walk by the river. I didn't listen to music. I just listened to the water. It helped me clear my head before our lesson tonight.
I am glad we are both feeling calm now. It feels like the perfect time to talk to our friends at home.
I agree. The world is quiet now, and we can focus on our hearts and our English. Tonight, we have a very special and unique topic for you. We are going to learn how to do something wonderful, thinking calmly in English before you sleep.
Oh, Sarah, this is exactly what I need. Usually, when I lie down in bed, my brain starts running like a fast car. It goes vroom, vroom with all the things I forgot to do. Thinking in English sounds like a way to slow down that car.
That is a perfect way to say it, Sam. Instead of worrying about tomorrow, we can use simple English words to talk to ourselves. It helps us practice our language skills while also relaxing our bodies for a deep, peaceful sleep.
I am so ready for this. I want my last thoughts of the day to be happy and in English. It's like a lullaby for my mind.
It truly is. But before we begin our nighttime practice, we want to invite you to stay connected with our peaceful family.
Yes, if you feel calm right now, please click the like button. It tells us that you enjoy these quiet lessons.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the English Talkline. We want to be with you every step of your journey.
Don't forget to share this video. Maybe you have a friend who is feeling stressed tonight and needs some English peace too.
Thank you for being part of our community. Now, let's close our eyes for a moment, take a slow breath, and begin. You know, Sam, when I lie down at night, I like to reflect on the day. I don't think about my big problems. I only think about the small, happy moments.
You reflect on the day? I like that, Sarah, but I have a question. When I reflect, my mind usually goes to my broken car or my bills. Is it okay to just think about a good cup of tea instead?
Yes, Sam, that is exactly what we want. Small things are the best. For example, you can say to yourself, "Today was a good day."
Today was a good day. That feels very nice to say. But Sarah, what if my day was actually very busy and loud? Can I still say it was a good day even if I feel a little bit tired right now?
Of course. Being tired means you lived a full day. The next thing I do is let go of worries. I imagine my worries are like little leaves floating away on a river.
You let go of worries? That sounds very poetic, Sarah, but I don't understand. How do I do that in English? Do I have to name every worry, or can I just say one sentence to make them all go away?
You can keep it very simple, Sam. Just say, "I am at peace."
I am at peace. Oh, my heart felt a little lighter when I said that. But Sarah, what if I have a big meeting tomorrow? If I say I am at peace, am I lying to myself, or is it a way to help my brain stop overthinking?
It is a way to tell your brain that it is time to rest now. You can handle the meeting tomorrow, but tonight is for you. Another thing I do is express gratitude. I say thank you for one thing.
You express gratitude. I understand thank you, but gratitude is a big word. Sarah, do I have to say thank you for something expensive, or can I just be thankful for my warm blanket?
Your warm blanket is perfect, Sam. You can say, I am thankful for my bed.
I am thankful for my bed. I really am. It is very soft. But Sarah, what if I am staying in a hotel or a different place? Can I be thankful for sleep instead? Is that okay in English?
Yes, Sam. Gratitude is about the feeling, not just the place. Finally, I prepare for rest. I tell my body that the day is finished.
You prepare for rest? My body usually knows, but my eyes stay open. Sarah, should I say this out loud, or is it better to just whisper it in my heart so I don't wake up my neighbors?
Just a whisper in your heart is enough. You can say, now it is time to sleep.
Now it is time to sleep. I feel so sleepy now, Sarah. Your voice is like a soft cloud.
You're right, Sam. It does feel like a soft cloud. Once I tell myself it's time to sleep, I like to clear my mind. I imagine my thoughts are like tiny birds flying away into the dark sky.
You clear your mind? That sounds so peaceful, Sarah. But I have a question. When I try to clear my mind, sometimes a very loud thought comes back. Like, did I lock the front door? What should I do in English then? Do I say, go away, door thought? Or is there a better way?
Smiling, you can just say, everything is okay.
Everything is okay. That makes me feel safe. But Sarah, what if I am a little bit worried about my English lesson tomorrow? Can I say everything is okay even if I don't know all the words yet?
Yes, because you are learning, and that is a good thing. After that, I like to focus on my breath. I feel the air going in and out, very slowly.
You focus on your breath? I tried that once, but I started breathing too fast because I was counting. Sarah, do I have to count in English, like 1, 2, 3? Or should I just feel the air without any numbers?
No numbers are needed, Sam. Just feel the calm. You can whisper, I am breathing slowly.
I am breathing slowly. I can feel my heart slowing down now. But Sarah, what if I have a cold and my nose is blocked? Is it okay to breathe through my mouth and still say the same sentence, or does the English change?
It stays the same, Sam. The air is still moving. Next, I like to think of a happy place. For me, it is a quiet beach with blue water.
You think of a happy place. For me, it is a mountain with a lot of snow and a hot cup of chocolate. But Sarah, do I have to describe the whole place in English, or can I just see the picture in my head and say one simple thing?
Just one simple thing is perfect. You can say, I feel very happy.
I feel very happy. I really do. It's like I am already on that mountain. But Sarah, what if my happy place is my grandmother's kitchen? Can I say I feel happy even if the room is full of noise and cooking smells in my memory?
Especially then. Happiness is about the feeling of love. Finally, I ready myself for dreams. I tell my brain that it is time to have wonderful stories while I sleep.
You ready yourself for dreams? I hope I dream about flying. But Sarah, what if I am afraid of having a bad dream? Is there a sentence I can say in English to ask for only sweet dreams?
Yes, Sam. You can simply say, I will have sweet dreams.
I will have sweet dreams. I feel so heavy and relaxed now. I think my brain is ready to turn off the lights.
Sarah, your advice is so peaceful, but I must tell you, I had a very funny Sam moment last night when I tried to practice my English in bed.
Oh no, Sam. What happened? Did you fall asleep in the middle of a sentence?
Almost. I was lying there and I wanted to say, I am thankful for my pillow, but I was so sleepy I mixed up the words. I said, I am a thankful pillow. I am a thankful pillow. Sarah, I woke myself up laughing. I started thinking, if I am a pillow, who is sleeping on me? It was not very peaceful at all.
Oh, Sam, that is a very funny image. You were talking in your sleep before you even closed your eyes.
I was talking in your sleep? Well, I was trying to. But Sarah, is it okay if I make a mistake like that? Does my brain still learn the English if I say I am a piece of furniture by accident?
Of course, Sam. The most important thing is that you are thinking in English. Even a funny mistake is better than no practice at all.
That makes me feel better. But then I tried to count my sheep in English. I got to 10, and then I forgot if 11 or 12 came next. I had to turn on the light to check my notebook.
Count my sheep? Oh, Sam, turning on the light is the opposite of sleeping. Next time, if you forget a number, just skip it and go to the next one. The sheep won't mind.
You are right. No more notebooks in bed for me. Just soft words and hopefully no more talking pillows.
We have talked a lot about our nights, but now we want to hear from you. We want to know how you feel when the sun goes down and the world gets quiet.
Yes, I want to know if I am the only one who talks to my pillow. Please tell me your stories so I can learn from you too.
We have a very simple and peaceful question for you today. It is a great way to practice your English before you go to sleep tonight.
What is the question, Sarah? I hope it is easy because my brain is very cozy right now.
It is very easy, Sam. The question is, what is one thing you are thankful for today?
You want to know what they are thankful for? That is a beautiful question. But Sarah, can they write something very small, like, I am thankful for my cat, or I am thankful for a hot dinner?
Yes, exactly. You can write a very short sentence. For example, I am thankful for my family, or I am thankful for this video.
Please write it in the comments. I promise to read them while I have my morning tea tomorrow. It makes me so happy to see your English growing.
It really does. And if you see someone else's comment, give them a little heart. Let's make our comment section a very quiet and happy place tonight.
I am going to go look at my phone now, but only for 1 minute. Then no more screens.
But before we say goodnight, Sam, I want to share my secret tip. It is the one thing that truly helps me think in English without getting a headache.
A secret tip? I love secrets. Is it a special tea, or do you have a magic English book under your pillow?
No magic, Sam. My secret is the 1-minute rule. I only practice my English thoughts for exactly 60 seconds.
You only do it for 1 minute? But Sara, I thought I had to study for an hour. If I only do 1 minute, is that enough to help my brain grow?
Yes, because it is consistent. If you try to think for an hour, you will get tired and frustrated. But everyone has 1 minute. Just 60 seconds of saying, I am happy, or the moon is bright, is enough to change your brain.
That is a great tip. My secret tip is the pillow talk.
You do the pillow talk. What does that mean, Sam? Are you talking to your blanket again?
No, well, maybe a little. I put a small sticker on my headboard that says English. When my head touches the pillow and I see that sticker, it is like a light switch. My brain knows, okay, Sam, now we say 3 simple things in English.
That is brilliant. It's a visual reminder. It helps you start the habit without even thinking about it.
Exactly. And my last tip is to smile while you think. If you smile, your face feels relaxed and the English words don't feel like homework. They feel like a gift.
That is the most beautiful tip of all, Sam. A smile makes every language easier. We have had such a quiet and beautiful time tonight, Sam. I feel so relaxed. Let's do a very quick recap for our friends before they close their eyes.
Yes, first I learned that I should reflect on the day and only think about the small happy things like my tea.
Exactly, Sam. And then we learned to let go of worries and tell our minds that everything is okay for now.
And my favorite part was to express gratitude because being thankful for my bed makes me feel very safe.
You remembered everything perfectly. Remember, friends, you only need 1 minute to practice your English thoughts. Don't make it hard, make it a gift to yourself.
I'm going to go now, Sara. My mountain and my hot chocolate are waiting for me in my dreams.
Sweet dreams, Sam, and sweet dreams to all of you. Thank you for spending this quiet time with the English Talkline.
We are so happy you are here. If you liked our peaceful lesson, please come back and see us again soon.
Sleep well, be kind to yourself, and we will see you in our next conversation.
Good night, everyone. Now it is time to sleep.
Good night. Peace be upon you all.